Okay, and it's here, the Floppy Emulator. I wanted to get this to be able to upgrade my Super UFO, and well, it's going to be the first time that I will open the Super UFO. Let's see. It's very light, this Floppy Emulator. I don't know why I thought it was going to weight more or to be more heavier, you know? And well, it's pretty simple. So here I bought a pen drive. You know, I wanted one smaller one, but I didn't find another one small of size and small of capacity, you know? But well, I think this is going to work properly. So let's open it. Okay, it's kind of complicated. Let me see. And well, done. So it's very small. That's good. So you will not see something very bad coming out from the UFO. Let's try it. No, it's not like this. Give me a second. Okay, I think this way. Okay, fit. So, now let's go to our UFO. And here we are. Now, I choose this one because I prefer to use this one than the Super UFO Super Drive Pro 8. First we have to take off the cartridge. There are some screws that are holding the diskette, the floppy drive. Well, I will break this sticker. And well, let's start. Screw by screw. I just bought this screwdriver and well. The next one. Okay, I have two already. Three. Well, these four that you can see, that left to take out or take off. These ones are holding the the floppy drive. So I will take off only two. For now. And this one is the last one of the case, the number 4. So with this one we will be able to open it already. So let's see. Yes, it's open already. So this is the UFO inside, the Super UFO. You can see nothing new. It's going to be the first time that I will do this. I am not that good in this kind of stuff here. It's a little bit dirty. Well, I will clean it a little in the overall. But I have to take it off with the screws. So let's start. Okay, it's better like this. Okay, this is done already. And the last one, yeah, is this. Okay. So this is the super UFO inside. So now we have to unplug this stuff to put the floppy emulator. I will clean it just a little. It's a little bit dirty around. Who knows how many years this was closed. But it's not that bad here, only this stuff. And well, let's see now with this. And this is going to be the position. So, time to take off, to unplug it. Just like this, and this out. And this one is a little bit more complicated, but it's not impossible. Done. And now to plug it here. The energy. And just fit perfect. So yeah, it's simple. But the problem is to fit it in the right place, because it have to be a little bit to the left, and you feel the pressure from the cable. So it's better to first lock it in the place and then plug it with the cables. First, I want to be sure that the screw will fit in the holes that have the floppy emulator, or at least leaving the place. The plastic is very soft, so there's no problem with this. And we have to do it in all the holes. So in that way it's going to fit. So, well, now I will take it off. And first try to fit it in the case. Finding the first hole. Once one is done, the other ones are going to be easier, of course. So should be here, and let's start. Well, for now it's okay. Then let's go to a second one. I think after this, the upgrade is going to worth it. So in that way you don't have to buy diskettes by diskettes, and for each game, you know, you can have 1000 diskettes emulated in this floppy emulator. And well, yes, this is how it's going to look. So let's finish with the 4 of them. This one is a little bit complicated, I don't know why. I will follow it. I will do it a little bit later, I think. Oh well, let's try. The other one. Oops. Well, this one fits perfect. This one is the one that is not totally perfect. Okay, but I think the cartridge should work there, I think. So now let's plug this here. It's a little bit complicated because you have to tense it. but it works. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Now it's time to close it. So, fit perfect. Now the screws. First one. Now the second one. This one, the third one. And now the last one, that is in the other corner with the sticker. Okay, this one I need to screw it a little bit more. This one is a little bit complicated, I don't know why, but well, I think like this is going to work, yeah. So the cartridge will not have a problem to be here. Yeah, let's put it. And well, ready. Now it's done. Let's try it in the Super Nintendo to see if it works. Looks pretty good, okay, for me. Looks nice. And well, let's plug it to see if it works. And yes, works. So perfect. Now I will have to prepare the pen drive to put the games there and be able to play with it. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, thumbs up please and subscribe. Bye.